Hurricane Beryl and its possible potential impacts maybe to the Lone Star State. We know that it's too far away to definitively give us answers, but people could always use some rain down in South Texas.
Yeah, I mean, we often like to look at the tropics to see what's happening, to see if there would be something that could impact the Lone Star State. But so far, so good this season. Unfortunately, this thing might be trending a little further to the northeast than it was in previous days. So here is the current state of the storm. It is a well-defined storm. You can see it is moving across portions of the Caribbean right now, just to the south of the Greater Antilles, and not quite as well defined as it was. It's actually showing some signs of weakening. There might be a little bit of wind shear there on the southern flank of the storm, but this is still a destructive storm moving off to the west. Now, as of the 4 o'clock advisory, we'll get another one at 7, but we are at 155-mile-per-hour winds. I would say the most notable change is not only are the wind speeds a little weaker at the center, the pressure has also risen to 943 millibars. So we'll continue to monitor those trends, but it's still a strong Category 4 tomorrow morning, and it will likely make landfall over the Yucatan Peninsula as we move into Friday. But as we move into the weekend, it is going to be moving into the Gulf of Mexico, and the cone of uncertainty now takes this as far north as Matagorda Bay to the southwest of Houston there. But the expectation is that this thing will make landfall either in far south Texas or northern Mexico, which again, where it tracks between now and then, that will be instrumental to see what the impacts of the Lone Star State are going to be. But it's hot and humid outside right now. 98 is your temperature and at Tyler Pounds Airport. Everywhere else, we are in the upper 90s. Dew points in the mid 70s, so lots of Gulf moisture to work with. You factor in the humidity, everybody feels like we're well above 100 degrees, anywhere from about 104 to about 118 at the warmest. And that's why the excessive heat warning goes until 8 o'clock tonight. Heat index values up to 113. 79 degrees tonight, mostly clear and humid. Tomorrow we get to 100 once again, and if this forecast holds, this will be the second time Tyler has made it to 100 degrees. But what does that mean for Thursday? We've got lots of fireworks displays over the next few days, and I think at night we're looking pretty good. We should see mostly clear skies. It's just going to be warm and humid. So keeping the water handy just in case you misbehave with the fireworks, and keeping the water handy for yourself as well. You'll want to do both of those things Thursday night with what is in the forecast and how hot, humid it's going to be. Stay hydrated, kids. Now, as we look at futurecast, the front is going to be off to our northwest, and this will trigger a few showers and thunderstorms moving into Friday. The front itself should help to cool us off as well. So as opposed to being in the upper 90s and dry, I expect us to be in the low to middle 90s with rain chances, especially next Friday and Saturday. Be prepared for the possibility of rain. Could see a few isolated storms Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday as well. Before we go, I want to show you deep East Texas. We will be hot, we will be humid Wednesday and July 4th. Decent rain chances Friday and Saturday, more isolated on Sunday. Casey.
All right, Carson, thank you.